Welcome back to Southwest Overland. This is part 4 of our adventure series, and we go to the Petrified National Park, Grand Canyon, and the Kaibab National Forest. But first, to address the breakage and damage that happened on our previous trails. The frame was damaged on both sides, so plating and boxing was required, and all had to be welded in. But soon after Jesse had done everything, the road called us again. We had already planned to hit up some of the Southwest National Parks, and the first one had to be the Petrified National Forest. It is uncanny to think that all these rocks that we see used to be live trees back when dinosaurs roamed the earth and we were at the bottom of the food chain. This national park is a great opportunity to put yourself in the feet of the caveman and what they had to deal with and what they had to do to survive, especially if you're into geology, and to be able to see all the petroglyphs that the cavemen used to do and be able to annotate all they knew. Night was encroaching on us quickly, so we decided to get together and come up with a plan, somewhere we could call home for the night. So we left the national park, and less than 10 minutes away we found the perfect campsite. Right as sun was setting, we set up camp and we enjoyed the night away. Our home for this trip was going to be the Magellan Quick Rice, and our cooking was going to be on our scuttle, deciding to be able to enjoy it all. But our day passed quickly and it was time to hit the road again, but this time with a completely different warning, a warning of snow, and we were headed over to the Grand Canyon. We decided to go in through the east entrance, something I had never done. And if you have never seen the east entrance, I highly suggest. It is jaw-dropping. From all the amazing views of the Colorado River to the awesome tower that is located in the visitor center. The Grand Canyon always gives us a great perspective on everything that our Earth always has to offer to us. Stunning, really. Now, when we got to the Grand Canyon, we had seen snow that had fallen the previous days, but nothing was going to get us ready to what we were about to experience. The day was fading quick, so we went into a kaibab forest and found a campground for the night. Now let me remind you, you cannot go camping in a national park, but a short drive away, the national forest is there, all open to open campsites. We found a fire ring and the perfect spot for us to set up. Once camp was set up, it was time to be able to enjoy everything that was around us. Now, one of the things that I've been wanting to mention is the ability for us to keep refrigerated food, and set power has helped us out so much. Its reliability and costs were some of the main point, but with the unexpected around the corner, snow started to fall as the night grew darker. We hunkered down, made dinner, and were able to enjoy our time.
Snow, baby!
We called it a night, and to our surprise, next morning was beautiful. A fresh layer of snow had covered all of us, making it seem like we were in a winter wonderland. For me, this was a dream come true, not only camping near the Grand Canyon, but also in the snow. What a remarkable sight. But we packed up and continued on to our next checkpoint. One of the things that I do want to mention about camping near the Grand Canyon is you have to make sure that you are out of the national park property. The national park has really steep vines and it has posts all over the place, so that way you make sure you follow them. But once you enter the forest, it feels like you're home. Not many people travel these roads, and because of the weather, the snow was starting to melt. Snow and forest roads normally lead to muddy situations, but we get to enjoy this rare weather that we don't really encounter. You can see the fog lifting as we keep on driving throughout these forest roads. This was not my first, nor will it be my last time coming to the Grand Canyon, but a few of my buddies that tagged along with us, it was their first time, so we were making our way to Grand Canyon Village. But what a drive, being able to experience this the first time you ever visit the Grand Canyon for some. As we left the National Forest, we re-entered what was the Grand Canyon. We stopped at one of the roadside restrooms and picnic areas, just so where we could do our morning duties. But even the small things seemed more beautiful, covered in snow. We had finally arrived at Grand Canyon Village, and man, the sights were great, though most of the snow had melted at this point. But what a view! Before the day ended, we wanted to make sure we hit the road and hit our last goal for the day. We traveled north towards Page, Arizona. What a beautiful road. But our next stop is something we yearn for: Horseshoe Bend. We even found the campsites and the restrooms at the bottom. What a stunning place. And now started our trek to our next campground. Equally as mesmerizing of a road. But stay tuned, for this adventure is far from over. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Remember, get out there and enjoy life.